Alright, today's video, my van lost a little weight and gained some space. This corner here and above this wheel well used to be the rear AC and heating unit. It's all disconnected, so I took it out. I have my portable AC and I'm going to run a portable heater in here, so less things to fail connected to the engine. Simplicity. So here we go. I just got to clean this corner up. It's pretty dirty. Yeah, I gained a good, what is that, 9 inches of space here, usable space. Okay, here's the rear cooling and heating unit. Let's see how much it weighs. I'm guessing 15 pounds. So let's see. I broke the scale. I'm too fat. Let's try that again. Error. Okay, come on. This man has 105% body fat. 200.4 pounds. Okay, now let's pick this up and then weigh myself. $217.6. So yeah, I said 15 pounds, 17 pounds, and a lot of space gained.